Okay. Why do I have this lipstick in my hand? I wanted to do an unboxing of something that I already unboxed. And it's wigs from Webster Wigs. I don't know if I said that right. I hope so. It's a brand from UK. And it's amazing. I already have 2 wigs from them, which is the green one and the orange fire one. I'm gonna see if I can, because I know that I have the name somewhere. So let's just check up. I'm gonna find out what these are called and write it somewhere on the screen. When you buy anything from Webster Wigs, you get it in a very fancy bag. This time it's grey with dots, white dots. Last time it was, I think it was very colorful, orange with pink dots. So it's pretty easy. So relaxing. Okay, let's just continue. One more. The first one is, and let me just find out the name again, because I think it's something with Zoe. Her name is Zoe, and it's forest green. Do you see what I did there? Trying to make a fancy British accent, which I can't. You always get the wigs in a amazing bag, which I like, because you can put them in there after you have been wearing them. They're not gonna get tangled up, so that's amazing. This one is a front lace wig, so it has this front lace on it that you have to cut off yourself, which I already did with the other one I have, but I haven't done it with this one. I wanted to show you guys how to do it. Long with curls at the end. This is very amazing, and it looks like it's a blend of colors. I don't know if I can show it. Light green, a little black. Amazing. And the curls. My other lime green one that I had for, I don't know, a long time now. She's still soft. She's still amazing. I want to see if I can find some details about her. I guess I can't. Maybe, maybe not. Let's go on their website. Webster Wigs. I'm gonna write the price down somewhere. Yeah, it's a blend of green and blue. Okay, so no black, I guess. It really, okay, yeah, I see the blue now. But it also looks like there's a tiny bit black in it. Loose layered curls. 26 inches when pulled straight. So I guess that you can, yeah, you can use heated tools up to 170 degrees to curl or straighten her. She has a name. She is a her. She's not a wig. She's really full. Well, I'm not gonna talk too much about like how and doodly do and, you know, because I don't have a clue. I just love their wigs. But this is how it looks inside. We have these, which I mean, I never really use them because another thing is that you always get like, what do you call that, caps? I have to find out what it's called. Oh, I put it over here.
Claps all the way around as well.
Claps.
It comes with a sweat cap.
A sweat cap. Okay, so they're called a sweat cap.
Colour, and this
sweat cap. That sounds, actually, that sounds disgusting. A sweat cap. I mean, I call them condoms, like hair condoms. I don't know if that's better. Hair condom. But okay, sweat caps. Let's just call them caps. Hair caps. And because I have brought 3, you obviously get 3 of them. One in black because one of the wigs are in black. I guess. Yeah. We get a folder with their logo, and I just saw that Jeffree Star is on it because he uses their wigs. I don't know who the other ones are, but yeah, it's just how to wash them, how to cut them, and tips. Washing your wigs. So that's what you get. I love that you get so many of these because I always lose them. I don't know how, but I always lose them. It's like the socks in the dryer. Disappear. I found out that it's so easy to brush the wigs with something like that. I don't know what it's called. So I'm just gonna make her pretty again. Use a little scissor. It's so much easier. Okay, I'm not gonna cut them totally perfect. Maybe I should show what I'm doing. As close to the line as you can. It's way easier to put them on something black because then you can really see the hairs and where you have to cut. And you obviously have to be a little bit careful with not cutting the hair. And I like to cut it close to the hairline. Then it looks more natural when you have it on. And then just this, a nice little piece. Normally I would braid up my hair for this, but now that we just, try it on, it doesn't matter. If you have short hair, you obviously don't need to braid it up. And again, I'm not gonna be too perfect there because I'm just trying. Just squeeze down the hair a little bit. They have these magic things that I, again, never really use, but let's just do it. This works so much better for me. Okay. And I'm looking at the viewfinder because I, again, don't have a mirror. I can't see what I'm doing. And now I have green hair. One moment. I absolutely love these wigs. I could just wear them all the time and don't give a shit. But they are amazing with the curls. Now I just need some makeup. So this is the sorry for the screen. Let's see what else I have that I already cut. Now I'm just gonna keep this very sexy thing. Then we have the other sari, and I think it's called. So this is the sari Fire Blend. The name says it all. And again, I already cut her a little bit. You get stuff like this too, by the way. And she's just like this sari with the green hair. Just a little Fire Blend. So I'm gonna try her on. I always wanted to have this hair color. I'm gonna go see. Oh my god, I love this too. I wanna have more. I am probably gonna order some more next week. I wanna have a blonde one. And I wanna have a black one without the bangs, because the one I ordered is with bangs. Okay, so this is the sari Fire Blend. Again with curls. But she is amazing. Focus on the hair. Let's try the last one I have. Regina REGINA Pure Black. I'm gonna I always want to pronounce it like vagina, but no, it's not. When I ordered this wig, I was like, oh my god, yes, bangs. And I tried her on. I tried her on earlier, and I wasn't so sure if I look good with bangs. But let's try. And it's so weird to have bangs, really. I can't even see. Okay. Is it me or does it just really look weird? I don't feel myself. I don't know how much down it should be. She's not so long. You can't see my eyebrow. It feels weird. I really feel like I have something in my eyes, which obviously I have. I kind of feel like I look cute. I feel like I have to put something on my head to make this good. Can you hear a rooster outside? Is that a rooster? What is it? Wait a minute. I randomly found something. This is so much better. Well, anyway, you know, I'm happy that I have it. I'm happy that I brought it. I don't know if I can rock the bangs or not. I'm probably never ever gonna get bangs. But I don't feel myself. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little wig show off. I'm gonna make a makeup tutorial and I'm probably gonna use this Sari blended forest green. I don't know who I think I look like. Whatever.